debris. Get ready, backside. Behind. Holy shit! Look at all this dirt. Dude, I know. Look at the velocity on radar. Oh my god. We're literally in the center of it.
Winds intensified, lofting small objects at first, branches, tumbleweeds, leaves, but grew stronger as the vortex approached. A small farmstead to the southwest of their position was obliterated by the outer winds, sending the pieces eastward towards the Tiv. Inside the vehicle, the roar ramped up, and suddenly, a large bang was heard, and the turret swung wide.
2023 marked one of the most significant tornado outbreaks for the USA. Wind gusts We've only seen bigger tornado outbreaks in 1974 and 2011, with 148 and 206.
There's no way to candy coat this. This is about as bad as it gets.
Today, Milton became the strongest storm anywhere on the planet.
This is definitely the storm of the century.
A threat like we have never seen on the west coast of Florida in modern times.
I mean, it is about as strong of a hurricane as you will ever see.
We know the storm surge is going to be a huge problem.
You have to go somewhere away from that surge.
If you remain there, you could die.
Camo gang, it is 5:22 in the morning. We just woke up like 20 minutes ago. Storm Chaser Chad is outside. He is picking us up. We're about to go chase Hurricane Milton. Last night it went under eye wall replacement. Whoa, there it is. All right, let's get all this stuff. Good morning.
Wait.
Oh.
Good morning with the tornado fart.
Hey.
We're gonna have to call them Kano.
Kano fart. Oh, Kano fart.
Kano fart.
Chad. Good morning.
You ready for this Kano? No, I ain't ready for this. This time we ain't just gonna be riding inside the parking garage.
Oh no. Me floating down the street.
Oh yeah.
Very well could be.
That might mean someone might be in it.
There's a car that might have someone in it. We might need to help them out.
Hey! Oh, Yogi, what's up?
Hey, we're just out here. Chad, where at? Okay. This is crazy, bro. We need to do this quick. Let's do it. Let's see if there's someone in there.
Hopefully there's no one in there. Oh, what is that?
Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Bro, I thought that was somebody.
Bro, me too. There's someone in there. There might not even be anyone in there.
Okay, no one's in there, Kano gang.
No one's in there? Okay.
But their car is flooded out.
I see lights flashing down there.
Hear that noise?
What is that? Hey, what is that? Look at that. Look where I'm looking. What is all the flashing?
Ooh, that's a.
What is it?
That's the transformer. There's a big transformer over there. Guys, huge transformer over there. You can see it over there twinkling.
Oh my god.
That is electricity that is just constantly firing off because.
Car horn, maybe?
Power flashes are happening everywhere. Yeah! All of the electricity went off. Every. That is.
Is the shrapnel for?
Sure.
No, they're out. Quick fire.
Wow. It's so good.
Wow.
Whoa.
That is awesome. Woo. This is crazy. Guys, look. Get hurt? That means I gotta come help.
What you're doing out there, but you.
So careful.
Y'all want to walk down to the very bottom?
Oh yeah.